My name's Ryan. I made this YouTube account for my truck. To talk about my supercharger, because I couldn't really find anybody that would upload a whole lot of videos specifically just screwing around with their truck. And yeah, I'm at 10,538 miles. I supercharged it at 47,000 miles, and no, 74,000. I bought it at 47,000. So I supercharged it at 74,000, and it's the best decision I've made for this truck. And yeah, it's been a pretty wild ride with what I've been able to do with the truck. I will soon be living out of an 84 Coachman trailer, and yeah, it's been an experience. I'm currently out here at Swan Falls. I can't really flip around the camera, huh? So be it. But I'll upload some other videos of where I'm at, really. And yeah, the capability of this truck is intense. I have Fox suspension, 2.5-inch lift. I have Toyo tires. They're sitting on 33s. And yeah, some of my friends wanted me to take the truck out to what's called Firebird Dragway, and they wanted me to test the truck before I supercharged it and after, but I don't really like doing that. I beat the shit out of my truck already out here in the middle of nowhere, and I just don't really feel like doing a lot of that. I put an air compressor on the truck, but I have yet to use it. A little frustrating, because I could definitely use it. I did not put the supercharger on myself. I'm not capable of doing that. I have a very good shop called Boise 4x4 out in Boise, and I'm not really sure where I'm at right now. I'm in Boise, sort of, but out by the military base, really, where they do all the shooting and whatnot. When you first supercharge your truck, the first almost 50 to 100 miles, the truck's learning how to drive to you. And when I was in Montana before I supercharged it, I got 21 miles per gallon, which I didn't buy this truck for gas. Like, I just wanted a truck, and I didn't even really want this truck. I didn't like the color of it. It didn't fit for me, I feel like. And it's 3 years in now, and absolutely love the truck. I'd kill for this truck. And the best gas mileage I've gotten with this truck is 21 miles per gallon. You got to keep the RPMs pretty low. You got to drive pretty carefully. Yeah, like, if I'm driving around town, I get as low as 5 miles per gallon, like when I'm just driving around my tiny town. And when I'm driving 15, 30 miles, I can get upwards of 17, 18. I get everything from 5 to 21 apparently, and it really depends how you drive. There is a couple other people, it sounds like, that have supercharged their vehicles, their 4Runners. At least one 4Runner I've heard has supercharged theirs, but yeah, it's a lot of fun. I couldn't get up hills very well, and I sure didn't want to tow with this truck, but I can tow with it now. I'm just gonna get pretty bad gas mileage, and it's gonna be sitting at 3,000 RPMs almost wherever I go. But it's so much fun. I will be doing so much more to the truck, but it took so much money to supercharge it, and I didn't really pay the guys. I get a family discount at the shop I go to, so I really didn't pay a whole lot more. I basically just paid the supercharger, paid for the supercharger and a few other things. And yeah, I've got CBI skid plates. Someone tightened with the CBI skid plates. I bought those because there's a little bracket and another little bracket to drain the oil and take off the oil filter, and someone tightened the oil filter screws way too tight. They did it with the oil cap, like the square for it to take it out to get to it. And so I was wrenching on that yesterday with the Allen wrench, and then a wrench on the Allen wrench, and yeah, a little frustrating. I've got a DeWalt jack now, DeWalt impact drill, and yeah, I'm not very mechanically inclined. I'm very frustrated about not being able to do more stuff on my truck, but that's why I bought the truck. I bought a truck to learn more about trucks. I bought one of the easiest things I could work on, and it's completely changed my life. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I don't drive more than 10 miles to work, so I usually get about 14 to 15, sometimes 17 on the way to work. It kind of depends what the traffic's like. The truck just likes to go and stay at that speed. Slowing down will ruin it, but capability of a truck after you supercharge it is almost more than I can handle sometimes, but it's so much fun. And you need to supercharge your truck before 100,000 miles, or your vehicle before 100,000 miles, because you just actually get the most out of it. And yeah, I just haven't seen a lot of people actually upload stuff. And if I had a camera and I have a dash cam, but if I had the capability of the money to be one of those YouTubers, I would. But I work construction, and I'm not good on working on my cameras and editing, and just not really my thing. And I don't have none of my other friends have any trucks, and so that's kind of why I bought this. I'm actually able to go out and do what I want to do. And I took out the back seat to the truck. It's a mess back there, but I took the back seat out because not a lot of people pay for gas, food, and whatnot, and keep a conversation going to me think they should be even in my vehicle anymore. I do have a friend subscribe. I'm not talking about you, Dylan, but we could definitely work out more things to get out. And yeah. I'm pretty good at geology, and at least the basics. And just getting around town and not really needing a map. After I've got this truck, I've just decided to leave and go just driving around town, on the outskirts of town, and being able to go do stuff. Yeah, there's not a whole lot I can really think about doing that I could tell you guys about what you could do, what would help, what not to do. Definitely make sure the warranty is, it's not going to involve it, but I don't even really know. I have very good insurance, so I just ended up supercharging it. Still haven't contacted insurance about it, but yeah. There's a hill out by the Waihees I want to go climb again. It's a pretty gnarly hill. It's like at a 70-degree angle. Rocks like the size of this everywhere. So you got to be pretty damn good at what you do. But I've been planning on making one of these videos, just haven't really gotten around to it. Yeah. Well, I want to thank the few people that have subscribed to my channel. It means a lot. I'm surprised even 5-6 people subscribed. So, yeah. Thank you those that have continued to watch some of my videos, and I'll try to upload more, but I have not been in the right mental state to record myself. So, yeah. Thank you.